First we have to split the chain like this according to the pipe. If a small pipe, you can fold it the chain once again. Then we have to, this is the lock, here the sensor. Now we are going to place the sensor in this top of the pipe. This chain lock should be placed like this in the center position. Like this. First connect this side of chain like this, and this chain move down towards the pipe like this. Here we have to take one chain and connect like this. Okay, this chain should lock with this transducer. Then we have to tight this lock. Tight this lock until the transducer and pipe should be both are in a tight position. Like this, the sensor should be connected to the pipe tightly.